So this is my banner. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy September 20th. So guys, I don't know why I'm so excited because of school date. So I officially started teaching today, so I just wanted to like carry you guys throughout my work week. I guess I just wanted to vlog for you guys. I haven't been vlogging a lot. I have been feeling some kind of unmotivated way. I have like I started about 2 vlogs and I'm not sure if I can make a vlog out of it. I don't know, but it's September 20th, guys. We're going to school. I did my hair. I even started the vlog for that yesterday. Yeah, and that just did not work out. So we're going to start a new vlog today. My hair still isn't fully dry, that's why it kind of looks so flat, but we're gonna work with it until later, you know. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? You know, it's September 20th. What's going on with y'all right now? For me, I'm ahead to school. So I decided I don't want to stay here, or so I'm gonna try like doing school in a different area, like at the church or something. So my sister and I, we're gonna just go there and see how that works out. So my glasses are fogged up. So we're gonna go over there right now and see how today works. If today works out, then I'll be staying over there for school. Yeah, I like my ear. I don't know, it kind of look weird because it's wet, but yeah, anyways. So I even packed my bag. So this is my old school bag. This is what I meant when I said it was done for. It was stripping this tear. Yeah, so that's what happened, but this works. So this is the fit for the day. I'm wearing this blouse. It's the Just Wing It live eyeliner, everything, with this shorts. Them not at the bottom, so oh well. And yeah, so this is how we're going to school, work, whatever you call it. All right guys, so I actually have a class at 8:15, so that's where I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go because it's currently like 7:30 something right now. Yeah, it's 7:44 actually. Yeah, so we're gonna grab this and we're gonna go to the church and see how that goes. Alright guys, so I've decided on here. Shanique put me here. Shanique will be down there. Way down there. So yes, I'm gonna go to class now. So bye. Hi guys. So guys, I finished 2 classes a while ago. 2. Let me clean my lens. Ugh, filthy. Yes, I finished 2 classes a while ago. Look at goody teacher. Come now. So yes guys, we're gonna go over now and eat breakfast because I am hungry and I have a next class at 10:45. It is now 10:04. So yeah, class is never bad. I enjoyed my grade 7 class. Not so much the grade 8 because they never that talked to me. I had 3 students? Focus. Come people, I have 10 minutes to cut and swallow. That Jesus, come run. Me hungry. Breakfast, guys. Breakfast. And dumpling. Yeah. Got the chefeth. Hi chef. Hi chef.
I ain't no chef.
Chef, yeah, chef. Big chef. you do? With the something over there. Alright guys, so this is breakfast. I'm gonna eat more dumpling though, but this is breakfast time. Alright guys, so I've just had breakfast. It is now 10:25. I'm heading back to my desk so that I can prepare for my other class, which is at 10:45. Yeah, I'm pretty much ready still, you know. I might have everything up, everything, so yeah. I tried to prepare everything last night so I wouldn't have anything at all to prepare today. Make sense? Yeah.
Alright, so last week we were looking at I am special, right? And how do we say we're special? Because God made you special. Also,
My hair is just not the way I want it to be. And it's dry, trust me, it dries, just that.
We were created unique by God, right?
Not the way I want it to be.
We're going to be looking at our name.
I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so day one is complete.
For you.
For me. So day one is complete guys. I'm gonna have to come back, you know, I'm just gonna come back and do some work, but yeah. Good morning guys. How's your feel? I don't know, Christmas breeze, it have that little feel there. But anyways, good morning guys, how y'all doing? It is Tuesday, September 21, and we're up. No, I didn't remember. So good morning guys, how y'all doing? I'm still sleepy. I don't know, I'm not ready to get up. I am tired bad. But yeah, we up. We're trying to do some exercises, so we're up today, the 21st of September. Happy September 21st. So yeah, I know, right? It's Christmas story time. I'm gonna find intro yet. I'm gonna find my mom intro for it yet. Oh, what cast that? Guys, last year, them time here, me already know what the intro be. Vlogmas. Me don't know yet. Me just don't know. Hi guys. So I've just finished a class. Right now I'm going to get some work done for school. Yeah, not church. But yes, I was showing my class. So no, I can't show. Yeah, I have to cover something. But I just want to show you like the banner that I found and all of that. I'm gonna shut it down there. Me I work with you. So this is my banner that I have. Isn't it so cute? Yeah. So yeah. So yes guys. So I'm gonna get some breakfast right now. So pretty much I have class until 3. So today is not as chill like yesterday. Catch teacher. Hi guys. So it is currently 7:09 p.m. We had music class, so yes, I have started getting music lessons, pretty much where I'm gonna learn how to play the piano. Yeah, I don't know how to play piano, so I'm taking music lessons with or organized at the church. So we had music class today, so that's that. We started at 5 and ended around like 6:30ish thereabouts. So yeah, right now I'm doing a PowerPoint for tomorrow's class, for one of the classes. What I tried to do was to like set up all of my grade 7 work for the 2 weeks out of the grade 8. Come in. For the 2 weeks I'm doing for the grade 9, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it for 2 weeks tonight because I'm tired. So I'm gonna do for the grade 9 for tomorrow and probably for like the rest of the week. I'll see where I can go because I'm gonna eat now. So I'll see if I can do like the rest tonight. If I can, then I'll let you know. But yeah, we'll get that done and see. Because I have 3 classes tomorrow, 7, 8, and 9. So it will be good if I have everything for that time set up. So, hi again, guys. So I'm actually heading over again. Today's Wednesday, as I said this morning. I'm not feeling well. My tummy's hurting, but I gotta go to work. So we're gonna go to work. So we're gonna get to class because I have class in like 15 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna set up for class and then let's see what happens for the day. Breakfast is ready. However, I don't have time to eat it, so I carry something I can't carry. I'm Lucky Charms. So yeah, this is where I have in my class. Set this down here.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, so we're finished setting up my area. I'm just gonna open up class and all of that. May not even do much for me here, I'm just sketch it up run back because not in it today. So yeah, that's what we're working with today. One can tell me, and look at that big bump in the middle of my forehead, like seriously. Not me forgetting to turn on the most important thing right now, the Wi-Fi. Anyways, let's do that. Get the Wi-Fi in. And then, yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. I know I don't have anything to do for my birthday, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But I like to celebrate, so I'm still excited for my birthday, which is next week Monday. Sadly, I have to go to school, but gladly, it's one of my best days, if you know what I mean. Because I have classes like in the morning. I have class from 8:15, then I have up to, I think it's 11:45, and that's the only day I have classes that finish so early in the morning. So I'm happy for that. That it falls on a Monday this year instead of probably like a Friday. I would have loved it to fall on a Friday, but my Fridays, no, this term, it's full. It's like really full. So guys, done class. It's now 10 o'clock, somewhere there. I don't know. But I'm gonna go over and eat breakfast, so just closing up. I'm not tired. I'm tired. I'm just at the store. Stop it. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my water bottle and my cup so I can. I need to refill my water bottle because it's empty. Yeah. So much stuff. Hi guys, so I'm done class quite a while now, but I've been doing some work. I went on the road to get some stuff and now I'm doing some work, so then the net go gone. So I just paused the vlog there. I'm gonna look rough. It's my exercise kits. I'm gonna try to hoop, guys. I'm gonna try to hoop. Good morning. Shakay. Hey guys, so hey, so again it's Friday. I don't know if I start the vlog. I really don't know if I say good morning to you guys from morning, but it's Friday morning and I didn't have any class from morning. Well, I had a 9:15 class, but I gave them a worksheet. I'm having class at 10:45. It's currently 10:45. I'm in class. Why? I'm currently in class waiting. But I look rough, so I won't be turning on cameras today. But yeah. Hi, mommy. Bye. Hi, mommy. Hi. Yes guys, so it's Friday, so I was cleaning. I'm not gonna show you guys, that will be in another vlog, so stay tuned for that. I was cleaning my room and just redoing it, well, just changing sheets and stuff like that. But yes, that will be in another vlog. Don't mind the fan behind me, guys. I hope it's not disturbing the audio because it's hot. It's really hot. So yeah. All right, so ready now, guys?
Yes, miss.
All right, so we say integers are like whole numbers. They both include negative numbers and also positive numbers. And some examples we have here are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Give me some more examples of some integers.
5.
5. And 5 would be what kind of integer? A positive or a negative integer?
Positive.
A positive.
Selective integer.
So it would be a positive integer. So once it doesn't have on the negative sign before it, so if you don't say -5, it won't be a negative integer. All right, so give me some examples of some negative integers.
-6.
-6. Once you have a whole number and you add a negative sign in front of it, it's pretty much a negative integer. Want to write this off?
It's finished, miss.
You finished writing?
Alright guys, so I finished class. It's some ice cream cake and some cupcake for lunch. I'm gonna eat up my sister's snack now. And I want to sweep the room. That's gonna be in another vlog. As I said, that part will be in another vlog. I do have another class at 2. So yeah, I have a class from 2 to 3. I don't know, I think I'm gonna like just refresh with them because I don't want to start a new topic today. I want to start a new topic on Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my sister's snack. I'm gonna eat my sister's snack.
Got mommy.
Alright guys, so it's 3:01 p.m. right now, so it's officially the end of the work week. Guys, I'm excited. Work done for the week. So yes guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope there's something at least interesting in this week because I didn't do a lot, but I did some stuff. So I hope there's at least something interesting in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.